In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your QR code on Paxful. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials or biometrics to log in. Once you have been logged in, you will end up within the homepage. Now, if you wish to find your QR code for any currency that you would like to receive, then tap on your wallet first. Once you tap on your wallet, you will see the receive option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can choose the type of cryptocurrency that you need to receive in order to see its respective QR code. After you choose it, if you have already verified your account, then you will be shown your QR code, which you can save to your gallery by tapping on the save option. You can also take a screenshot and share it, and you will also find your wallet ID, which is the unique code. You can copy this code or share this QR in order to receive funds from any user. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your QR code on Paxful. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.